Welcome to another S&P 500 analysis. This is just a quick recap of what transpired on Monday, July the 18th, 2022. I just want to go through some of the chart on the ETF, the SPY, the QQQ IWM, and also a couple of the FAANG stock, Apple and Tesla. And also kind of quick review on two of the financial stock that reported earnings before the market opened today, Bank of America and Goldman Sachs. So stay tuned. Let's take a look at the SPY. If you have not seen the trade watch video that I put out earlier to kind of give you these scenarios, then you might want to go and watch it after you finish watching this video and kind of give you a little bit more context on what to look for and what might happen next. So here on the SPY, you can see that we saw a little bit of a consolidation here, and it was trying to get up here into this resistance area, unable to do so. So my projection was basically looking for this thing to come up and then reverse back down. That was on the downside scenario, and appear that it is playing out on that downside scenario today. You see that there's this liquidation break after a little bit of a balancing here, and once it broke, it came down to this support resistance zone that we identify on the daily chart. So right now, basically looking for this to see where we get a little bit of a bounce and then look for a potential short setup and short it down to the lower range of the expected move, and also this version point of control. I mean this composite point of control. So watch the video that I put out earlier, and you can see all these level and what they are, and why are those level there. So that's the SPY. And also on the the QQQ, similarly, it kind of balanced here, and it got a liquidation break and came down to this lower edge of the zone. So now basically watching for this thing to see would it find some support, hopefully maybe near this VPOX, and get a little bounce, and then look for a setup here, get a rejection on this high volume zone, and then look for a short setup and short it down to the lower zone of the expected move. And the IWM also came up and was trying to get above this VPOC and try to get into this upper edge of this zone here, this high volume zone, and was unable to do so. And you see that it also did a liquidation break and came down to this support resistance zone here and try to hold this right now. So we're looking for a little bit of a bounce and then look for a short setup. If it continues to go down, then short it down to this lower range of the expected move. And here's Apple. Apple apparently has some news about slowing down on their hiring and holding back, kind of trimming back their spending for the coming year. So that caused the market to basically did a little bit of a reversal, and that's where we see all the liquidation break came in. And so you can see Apple also was trying to get above this resistance zone, unable to get to it. So you see that it reversed back down. So now we're essentially watching to see if Apple will be able to come down and get a little bounce off of this composite point of control. Then we look for a reversal back into this lower range of the expected move, and watch to see would it find some support at this area here near 143, and essentially near this this supporting trend line. And also Tesla. Remember, Tesla is going to report earning Wednesday after the market close. See, Tesla was looking for to possibly make a move up here to this upper edge or near this point of control here, near 759.20, before we see a little bit of a price reaction, either break through or come back down. But as you can see, it came up to this composite value area high and got rejected and came down. So right now seems to be holding this point of control here somewhere around this 720. So we're going to see what it get a little bounce and then continue its way down, and look for this composite point of control, and also this point of control down here at 696, and this is somewhere around 702, 703. Now let's take a look at the earning price reaction from BFA. this morning here, we have this zone here, and the expected move was essentially up here at this 34.50 level on the upside, and on the downside is down here at the $30 level. So you can see it came up and got rejected near the 33.50 today and back into the zone. So for the coming day, I'd be watching BFA to work itself back down for this $30.50 area, $30.40 down at this lower range of the expected move, and see would it be able to hold this and then get a little bit of a bounce. And here's Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs, the expected move on the upside was 310 and 305.25. That's the range. And you can see that it actually went above this 310 a little bit and came up to this resistance zone and got rejected and pushes back down into this high volume zone now. So we essentially are looking to see come down and fill this gap and see would it be able to hold this 292 area and see would it be able to just kind of bounce around for the rest of the week, or would it continue to move down and try to test the lower range of the expected move for the earnings. So that is the earning play for Goldman Sachs and also for BFA, along with the update on the ETF, the SPY, QQQ, IWM, and also the FAANG stock, Apple, and Tesla. Be sure to smash that thumbs up to help me promote this video on YouTube. Thank you for watching and stay safe.